Hi, welcome to Deluxe. The use of autonomous aerial vehicles or UAVs is revolutionizing the way modern warfare is conducted. These unmanned aircraft have become an increasingly valuable asset in intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the top 5 autonomous aerial vehicles and how they're changing the face of combat. 5. Stalker Z. This small UAV is designed for both reconnaissance and surveillance missions. It's equipped with a range of advanced sensors and can stay airborne for up to 8 hours, making it an excellent asset for smaller-scale operations. 4. In-situ Scan Eagle. This small UAV is primarily used for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. With a range of up to 1,200 kilometers and the ability to stay airborne for up to 24 hours, the Scan Eagle provides real-time intelligence to military commanders in the field. 3. General Atomics MQ-1C Grey Eagle. This drone is designed for both reconnaissance and attack missions. It's equipped with a range of advanced sensors and weaponry, making it a valuable asset in combat zones. 2. Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk. This high-altitude, long-endurance UAV is designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. With a range of over 22,000 kilometers and the ability to stay airborne for up to 30 hours, the Global Hawk provides real-time situational awareness to military commanders. 1. General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper. This UAV is one of the most well-known and widely used drones in the world. It's primarily used for reconnaissance and surveillance missions but is also capable of carrying out airstrikes. With a range of up to 1,850 kilometers and the ability to stay airborne for up to 27 hours, the Reaper has proven to be an indispensable asset on the battlefield. These top 5 autonomous aerial vehicles are changing the face of modern warfare. With their advanced sensors, long endurance, and ability to operate without human intervention, they're becoming increasingly valuable assets in military operations. However, with their increasing prevalence, there are also concerns about cybersecurity and ethical issues surrounding the use of autonomous weapons. As technology continues to advance, the role of UAVs in military operations will continue to evolve. Only time will tell how they will change the face of combat in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.